Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Drop dead gorgeous. No, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about this car, but you knew that. Rotisserie restored about 500-600 miles ago. We got a big block under the hood. It has the Rally Sport Super Sport. It has air conditioning. Beautiful front to back, gorgeous car. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs and study pictures from top to bottom. Also where you'll find the price, not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 69 Camaro. Yeah, isn't that stunning? Well, let's start with the underneath. There was the body off the frame, which is actually just a subframe up front. The floors, I'm assuming, are brand new, like one-piece floor section, because they're immaculate. There's no cuts or splices or patches, so the floors are spotless. Starting up front, the whole front end's rebuilt. It's got new spindles and bushings and shocks and springs and tie rods. It's all been rebuilt, replaced. New body bushings. The rear suspension looks like it's new. The shocks, the shackles that hold the springs. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless. Has a high torque starter. It's a turbo 400 automatic transmission with a chrome pan. The motor is actually a 454, and when you look up at the block, we have found where it says 7.4 liter, and it says HP right on the side of the block. It's got a 12-bolt rear end in the back, a new stainless steel gas tank, so it's a little shinier than the original gas tank. New dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. That sounds great. And all new rebuilt brake systems. Got disc in front, new emergency brake cables, new brake lines. The body is gorgeous. I mean, it's slick. It's like a mirror. And no vinyl top, just all black spoilers. The white hockey stick stripes, you don't even feel them. I wouldn't know they were there unless I seen them. Of course, it has the Rally Sport with the hidden headlights that open and close. It's got spoilers. It has the exterior trim package, which includes rain gutter trim, the louvers, and wheel well moldings. All of the trim on the outside of the car is new. The marker lights, the ice cube trays on the hood, all of it's been replaced. The windshield and the back window are new. The side glass is real nice. There's hairline mark here or there, but real nice and clear. But the two front and back are new. All the stainless trim is new. The mirrors are new. New 15-inch Rally wheels with all the new trim and new BFGoodrich tires. Trunk compartment, just clean metal, spatter painted. All this is painted real nice black. There's a new weather strip, new insulation behind the seat, new stickers. The interior, I sat in there and it's like, wow, this is nice. It's like immaculate and it fits nice. The dash pad's probably one of the nicest fitting dash pads I've seen. It's not warped or buckled. Everything in front of me looks new. All the chrome trim around the bezels, the vents, the knobs, the wiper knob, the brake release, the kick panels, even the headlight dimmer down on the floor, steering wheel, turn signal lever, it all looks new. It does have the factory tachometer and the factory gauges in the console. The whole console is new. The engine compartment also new. I was trying to find something that didn't look like it was new, and I couldn't. So you got the 454 motor. It's labeled as a 396 because that's what would have come in these. It has an Edelbrock aluminum intake, a dual feed Holley carb, HEI ignition. Everything in the front of the motor is new. The alternator, the pulleys, the power steering, new brake booster and master system. New wiring harness, new wiper motor, new battery cables. The battery's bolted down properly. The radiator, the shroud, the clutch fan, the hoses, the clamps all look new. The fuel pump looks new. It has a vintage heat and air system. It's all updated. Reproduction chrome valve covers, air cleaner, and stickers. Jams are real nice, new rubber. All new door panels, window cranks. The seats, they've been rebuilt. You sit on the seat, it feels like brand new. The cushion, the upholstery is mint. The headrests are new. The seat backs are new. It's got new GM seat belts in the front. The light at the back of the console works. Headliner, visors, mirror, that's all new too. So why don't we fire it up for you? Inside the glove box, the liner's replaced. Retro stereo. Wow, the dash lights up bright. The metal trim inside the dash, or on the dash, lights up real nice. Now these are vacuum. They always need a little help, and actually we got a bulb out too. This car hasn't been through the shop yet. We'll service that. The only thing you're going to need is one of them California car dusters to keep it looking like it looks right now. It's a gorgeous car. You are going to get compliments like you wouldn't believe. You're going to be like a celebrity driving this one right here. And you've got it all. You got the big block. You got air conditioning, the stripes, the colors, everything about it. It's amazing. That's my opinion of this car. You can go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. They will answer your questions and concerns you might have. They can get this car delivered anywhere in the country. We can get you financed. Go to volocars.com if you're interested in this one or one of the other cars that we have for sale. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.